Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I am back with another hairstyling tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to be doing a double Dutch braid, but I'm going to use a different feeding method for those who can't do the normal feeding braids. I'll be doing the crochet feeding method, which is a lot easier to make. So if you struggle with feeding in your hair, either for stitch braids or feeding braids, I got you. So for this hairstyle, you just need your braiding hair, a crochet pin, shine and jam, or any hair gel you have. So getting straight into it, I'm doing kind of like a C or an S pattern in the middle of the hair before parting each of these sections again to get my 4 sections for my braid. And for the crochet feeding method, I'm going to make my stitch braids with the natural hair first, or you can make like a regular cornrow, whichever one you're going for. You're going to braid all the way to the tip of the hair. If you don't know how to do a cornrow, I have a tutorial on how to do that and it's beginner friendly. I'm going to leave the link to that video on this video or in the description box so you can go check it out. After you're done with your cornrow, grab your crochet hook and start crocheting the braid extensions to the cornrow you already made. So that is just what I'm doing here. Crochet from small pieces of hair to bigger pieces according to the size of your braids and keep feeding in the hair all the way to the end of your cornrow. done crocheting the braid extension to the cornrows, the next thing is to braid down the hair extension. Now, as you're braiding down the hair extension, make sure it's in the middle and it's covering the braid underneath. So this is what my braid is looking like. I'm going to do the same thing to the 3 remaining sections of hair. And remember, you have to fix enough braiding hair to your cornrows so that your braids can be big enough to cover the cornrows underneath. That's the goal here. So whatever size of cornrows you're doing, your braid should be like ×2 of that so you can cover the braid underneath. So right now, I'm just stitching my braids together because they're a bit far apart from each other and I wanted them to be side by side. I also added some coily hair at the front of my braids. The coils I used is Amigos coils. So yeah guys, this is the final look. This is my double Dutch braids. Using the crochet feeding method will also help you hide your natural hair, especially if you're doing a colored hair. As you can see, her natural hair is neatly tucked in under the braids. You can also use your hands to like adjust the braids to cover the hair underneath properly. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.